Hello everybody, my name is Baruch and welcome back to another video. This is Perspective Drawing episode number 3. Today we're going to be going over 2-point linear perspective. Let's get into it. So, 2-point linear perspective looks something like this. You have 2 vanishing points on the horizon line, and the lines on the left side go to the left vanishing point, and the lines on the right side go to the right vanishing point. Again, the horizon line is the separation between the sky and the ground. So the first step is to make a line, a vertical line, and I would recommend making this below your vanishing point or above, but you have to make it either really far below or really far above. I'm going to be making mine really far below. Now, it doesn't have to be too far, but you should give yourself a good amount of room to see the top of the box. So make the line roughly in the middle of your page. I'm going to trace over mine a little bit more, just to make, sorry, that was loud, just to make sure you guys can see it nicely. Okay, on the camera. So, this is my line. Now I'm going to choose my 2 vanishing points, and they should be relatively on opposite sides of your drawing, like on opposite sides of the horizon line. So now you're going to connect your vanishing point to the bottom of this line here, and connect them, and connect the top to it as well, like this. So now you have a flat surface going to this vanishing point. Now you're going to do the exact same on this side. And just like that, you have a flat surface. Like you have a 3-sided box. Yeah. So now we're going to make an end to the box because in current it just goes on forever. So we're going to make the end of our box right over here, I think. And then we can erase the lines going to the vanishing point from there. However, our box here doesn't have a roof. There is no top to it. It's just 2 sides. So the way you add a top is a little bit complicated. So I'm going to add a roof top to this box now. So I'm going to take this corner right here, align my ruler to it and the vanishing point opposite it, and make a line. And then I'm going to do the same with this vanishing point here, with this vanishing point and this corner of the box. Just like so. So now you have a top and can erase the lines. The top will look a little bit squished this close to the vanishing point. So if you want to see more of it, make this line further down. Or use 3-point perspective, which I will be showing you in tomorrow's video. Yeah. And just like this, we have a box with 2-point perspective. So it isn't actually too complicated. Yeah. But what if you want to see 2 sides and the bottom of the box? Well, to do that, just like with 1-point perspective from yesterday's video, you would make it simply above the horizon line. You'd make your line above the horizon line. Sorry. And just repeat all of the steps. Make sure you make the lines really light. The only reason I went over them twice for all of my lines is so you can actually see them on this camera. But it makes it a pain to erase, so just trust me on this. Make sure that you draw lightly. Okay, and just like that, you can see we have a cube with the bottom of our box showing. So, 2-point linear perspective is actually really useful, and I think that if you're trying to draw like a corner of something, it's really useful. With 1-point perspective, it's just a little bit more difficult to really show corners. But tomorrow I will show you how to draw with probably the hardest type of these three different types of perspective, and that is 3-point perspective. It is quite difficult. I'm still learning it in a way. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share it with a friend. Bye.